this social studies challenge, enter your first and last name. I'm going to enter Miss Stratton, and we're going to play. The first question is, what is the pledge? Is the answer the red triangle, a flag, blue diamond, a promise, or a bird, which is the circle? You're going to press which shape you think is the correct answer. The second question is, liberty means what? Is it the red triangle, freedom? Is it the blue diamond, fairness? Or is it the yellow circle, truth? You're going to choose your answer. Next question, the American flag should never blank. The American flag should never be folded for the triangle. The American flag should never touch the floor for the blue diamond. Or the American flag should never be on a flagpole for the yellow circle. You're going to decide which is the correct answer. Next question, when all people are treated fairly, it is called republic for the triangle? Is it called honesty for the diamond? Or is it called justice for the circle? You are going to decide which one you believe is the correct answer for when all people are treated fairly. It is called. Last question, who is the man in this picture who is known for his honesty? So look at the picture. Who was known for his honesty? Was it Abraham Lincoln for the triangle? Was it George Washington for the diamond? Or was it Barack Obama for the circle? You are going to decide who you believe this is and who is known for his honesty. Alright, good job, you guys.